if this is like my last video, please make sure you subscribe.
Oh, last video. This is good.
Good morning, dude. Good morning, dude. Oh, yo, Tony.
Yep.
What are we about to do?
Climb that mountain, boys.
Alright, so if this is like my last video, please make sure you subscribe.
Oh, last video. This is good.
We might die, yo. We might seriously die. Because we're gonna...
What the hell? What's this guy? He's like, this is my last video.
Anyways. Alright, boys. Time to leave. Everybody's in the car. What? We're here. So you can see the roads are blocked off. No cars parked there except us. We are so dumb. We are literally the dumbest kids out here.
Except for me.
We are so dumb, yo.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We're going on a trip in our favorite rocket ship. Zooming through.
So you can see, gates are closed.
You pull pick. Yo, imagine we saw a Yeti here.
This guy said a Yeti. You think you're gonna see Yeti in Maine? Huh? Are you stupid, dude?
Shut the God, dude. If you can see a big
I've seen a Yeti before.
You seen a Yeti here?
Yeah, right there. Oh, me.
Watch out, guys.
Alright, so we decided to go. To actually go. We're so stupid. This reminds me of camping.
Oh yeah, this is the camping. Oh yeah.
Yo, this is so slippery.
Oh.
Ice. Yeah, just keep marking. In life, you have to go through obstacles. This is all ice. This is so dangerous. We have to cross all this. Why is it ice? Is this a river?
Yeah, it is.
Oh, it's snowing.
Oh, dude, it's snowing hard. I gotta turn around, please.
What time is it?
Dude, turn around. Turn around, dude. Log. This is
Nah, dude, we already walked half a mile. What's the
We're like halfway there. Should we go back or should we keep going? Alright, so we made it at this point. With it's not really a nice view, but I don't know what this is.
Dude, where's the snow at? Where's the blizzard, guys?
Yeah, blizzard. Blizzard.
He's blending up the Danny. Oh, yo. No.
Yo, that is so fun. Let's go. We make our own slides. He hit his balls. I'm not gonna push, I'm gonna go slow. Is that what went into your butt?
Yeah. No, that sharp one right there.
Oi! Fire! Oh! We made it to the road! So, there's two ways to go up the mountain. There's a road for cars, and then there's a hiking trail. And we went up the hiking trail. And now we meet up with the road to continue on walking up.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We're going on a trip in our favorite rocket ship. Zooming through the sky, little lights on. Climb aboard, get ready to
Stop!
I don't know why he's so mad. Woo! This is like a skiing trail. This is like a skiing trail. Look at that view.
Oh, that's yeah, you slid down, you die.
Mount Fatty? Is that Mount Fatty? After a long journey, but we're here. Oh wait, it is really windy. My hat is gonna fly away. Dude, yeah, look at that view with that fog. Holy! How's the view? Tell me. I'm not gonna look at. How's the view?
Yo, you should take it down.
Take it all in right now. If the weather wasn't bad, we can see it really clearly. I mean, that's why they call it Mount Batty. That was a good joke, yes.
Yeah.
And this guy's a photo shoot. Keep it going, keep it going. So this is what it's supposed to look like.
Anniversary.
And now reality hits.
Cortez Island.
That's it. Those were the drones that, those were the boats that I shot with the drone yesterday. Let me do a slow pan. Three miles back down the road.
Yeah.
Here we go.
What the hell is that?
Man down. Man down. He broke his arm. Look at his arm. Look at his arm. His arm. His arm is messed up, yo. His arm is messed up. His arm. All right, welcome to Cooking with David Liu. Today we are making clam chowder, and that's it. You shut the freak up them vlogging.
Yeah.
Anyways, having a chicken breast, peas, whatever that is. Oil. Oh man, I don't know what I'm doing, but no, don't come in there. It's a surprise. It's a surprise. It's a surprise. David's dinner. Only Kevin knows. It's a surprise. Look at this. We're having a family dinner right now. This guy just lost how much? How much you lose?
50 bucks.
50 bucks for playing blackjack. I am so sorry. So I'm just like using whatever I have to like improvise and cook for like 6 people. Hope I can do well. After 2 freaking hours, we're done. Oh shit. Censor that shit. And we check this out. Damn. We are ready. So I put crushed Doritos with scrambled eggs. I don't know how that would.
Dude, shut the
Taste
window.
like.
Get the fuck out of here.
Oh man.
John,
Candle and everything.
we're starting our ritual.
Come on, John. We have to wait for you.
Dude, why are you eating?
Start our prayers. Start our prayers.
Yeah, you said I can have yours, right?
Yo, tell me what you guys think.
It's nasty.
Yo, I'm not freaking. I can't believe we set up the family style tradition. Yo, how do you put it? How do you pour it? The fuck? Oh shit, it's mad cooked. Look at that, it's cooked.
You try eat. Is that recording?
Yeah. So it's been some time after the last clip. I got super sick because of that stupid blizzard hike. That was so dumb of us.
That was worth it. See? Oh my god. I can't even close the door because of the
Headache, stuffed nose, like sore throat. So I'm just gonna end the vlog now. So if you enjoyed this, please thumbs up. Please comment feel better, David, because I'm sick. I need your help.
What the freak?
Alright, thank you, and I'll see you later. Bye bye.